Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Online GKGS Knowledge. This is the episode number 2 of Current Affairs 16 July 2020. Now we will discuss here 10 important current affairs. Please now let us start. First question is United Nations celebrated World Youth Skill Day on which day every year? Right answer is 15 July. 15 July On 15 July, United Nations celebrated World Youth Skill Day every year. The theme of World Youth Skill Day 2020 is Skills for a Resilient Youth. Next question. Which organization organized its first digital chapel to mark its 39th Foundation Day? Right answer is A. Option A is right answer. And here, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) organized its first digital coupon chapel to mark its 39th Foundation Day. During the digital chapel session, NABARD also announced Rs 5,000 crore of refinance scheme for banks and financial institutions. With this refinance scheme, the Development Finance Institution aims to offer finance to beneficiaries of its 2150 watershed development projects. And it also assigned another Rs 5,000 crore rupees to transfer primary agriculture credit societies into multi-services centers. This concessional line of assistance will be available for a period of 3 years from 2020 to 2013. Right? Now next question. Visa, a global leader in payments technology, has tied up with which bank to launch Visa Secure to the bank cardholders? Right answer is option A, Federal Bank. Visa, a global leader in payment technology, has tied up with Federal Bank to launch Visa Secure to the bank cardholders. Visa Secure is a modernized technology that provides a quicker and frictionless checkout experience to the consumers. Now, go ahead on. Fourth question. UNICEF India has tied up with which organization jointly to develop UNICEF hashtag reimagine campaign? Right answer is option C. Both A and B, FICCI and SEDF, full form of FICCI, Federation of the Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries, and full form of SEDF is Socio-Economics and Development Foundations. UNICEF India has tied up with the Federal of India Chambers of Commerce and Industries Socio-Economic Development Fund to jointly develop UNICEF hashtag Reimagine campaign. The campaign aims to support to most vulnerable population and child during the COVID-19 response and its aftermath in India. It will also help in avoiding the potential long-term damage to business operations as well as employment pipeline. The headquarters of UNICEF is in New York, United States, and the FICCI president is Sangeeta Reddy. Now next question. Who has launched a new state-of-art post-COVID coach in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19 virus infection? Right answer is option number A. Indian Railway has launched a new state-of-art post-COVID coach in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19 virus infection. The Indian Railway production until Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala has developed this new post-COVID coach. The silent feature of the post-COVID coach are hands-free amenities, copper-coated handrails and latches, plasma air purification, and titanium dioxide coating for COVID-free passenger journey. Union Minister of Railway is Piyush Goyal. Now next questions. Who has been appointed as the Vice President of Asian Development Bank? Right answer is Ashok Lavasa has been appointed as the Vice President of Asian Development Bank, that is ADB. He will succeed Diwakar Gupta, whose terms will end on 31st August. Lavasa, a retired 1980 batch IS officer of Haryana cadre, was appointed as an election commissioner in January 2018. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is in Manila, Philippines, and it is founded on 19 December 1966. Next questions. Which organization has developed P7 heavy drop system? Right answer is DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has developed P7 heavy draft system that is capable of para-dropping military stores up to 7-ton weight class from IS-76 aircrafts. The system is fully indigenous and is being manufactured by L&T Company. Now next questions. What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the world richest man according to the Bloomberg's Billionaires Index 2020? Right answer is A, 6th position. The rank of Mukesh Ambani in the world richest man is 66th position according to the Bloomberg Billions Index 2020. With a worth USD 72.4 billion after surpassing Elon Musk, co-founder and CEO of Tesla and Alphabet's Inc. co-founders. Now next question. Pragata Guidelines for Digital Education has been released by whom? Option number A is right answer. HRD Ministry has released Pragata Guideline for Digital Education. As per the guidelines, online classes for pre-primary students should not be for more than 30 minutes. It further mentioned that two online sessions of up to 30 to 55 minutes each should be conducted for class 1 to 8 and 4 sessions for classes 9 to 12. The Pragata guidelines include 8 steps of online education, that is plan, review, arrange, guide, talk, assign, track and appreciate. The Union Study Minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Now next questions. This is the last question of this video. The book titled If It Bleeds, a collection of 4 stories authored by whom? Right answer is A. Stephen King is the author of the book titled If It Bleeds, a collection of 4 stories. Now this is the end of the video, and if you like my video, please press the like button and share it with your friends, and please if you do not subscribe my channel तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। थैंक यू।